Once upon a time, in the heart of the lush African savanna, there lived a majestic lion named Leo. He was known far and wide as the king of the jungle. With his golden mane flowing like flames and his roar echoing through the trees, Leo ruled over the land with power and grace. But there was one thing he lacked: a friend. On the other side of the jungle, nestled in a cozy burrow, lived a tiny rat named Ricky. Unlike Leo, Ricky was small and swift, his fur a soft shade of gray, and his whiskers twitching with curiosity. Despite his size, Ricky dreamed big, yearning for adventure beyond the safety of his home. One sunny morning, as Leo was prowling through the tall grass, he stumbled upon a trap set by poachers. With his mighty paw caught in the snare, Leo roared in pain, his struggle futile against the cruel contraption. Hearing the lion's desperate cries, Ricky emerged from his burrow and dashed towards the commotion. Seeing Leo trapped and helpless, Ricky knew he had to act fast. With his sharp teeth, he gnawed through the ropes of the trap, setting Leo free. Grateful and amazed by the rat's bravery, Lion thanked Ricky and offered him his friendship. Despite their differences in size and strength, Leo and Ricky became inseparable friends, embarking on thrilling adventures together. From that day on, Leo learned that true strength came not only from his roar, but also from the bonds of friendship. And Ricky discovered that courage comes in all shapes and sizes, proving that even the smallest of creatures can make the biggest difference. As they roamed the jungle together, Leo and Ricky's friendship became legendary, inspiring animals far and wide to look past their differences and embrace the magic of unlikely friendships. And so, in the heart of the African savanna, the lion and the rat lived happily ever after, forever proving that true friendship knows no bounds.